So here we were solving a system of linear equations. So I want to figure out what my variables are. So each secondary classroom has 5 more desks than an elementary school classroom. So that means my y value is secondary. Y equals secondary desks, and x is equal to the elementary desks. It's always a good idea to define your variables. How many desks are to be in each secondary classroom? So I'm looking for y. So in this case, because a variable is already isolated for me, I'm going to use substitution. If I want to use elimination, make sure your x's, y's, and numbers are all aligned. So I'm going to take this x plus 5, and I'm going to plug it in to the y in the second equation. So I get 20x plus 25. My y completely goes away, and I replace it with the x plus 5. Okay, so from here I'm going to just solve for x. I'm going to distribute. $25 times 5 is $125. Now I'm going to combine like terms. Subtract 125 to both sides. And 45 x is equal to 990. Divide by 45. And I get x is equal to 22 desks. Now, a lot of you guys circled 22. Make sure you go back and ask what the question, see what the question is asking. How many desks are to be in each secondary classroom? So you need to go back up and make sure which variable is secondary classroom, and that's why it's nice to define it in the beginning. So I'm actually looking for y. So I can find out y by taking my 22 and plugging it back in to this top equation. Now you can choose either equation, but I purposely choose the top one because I don't have the coefficients in front of the variables and it's going to be easier for me. So y is equal to 22 plus 5, so it's actually 27 desks in the secondary classroom.